Hello, we are Team Flex of Kennesaw State University and Starflex Fabrication, and this is Mazak Laser Optimization.
Problem Area 1, unloading the laser.
Let's take a look at the longest and shortest of 36 trials. Our longest trial features the operator unloading and then sorting by hand. This causes a bottleneck in the process. On the shortest trial, the forklift comes in and unloads the entire sheet, which can then be transported throughout the shop.
Average time to unload is 8 minutes and 10 seconds.
The ideal Mazak solution is a completely automated load-unload machine. This machine slides bars between the slats completely underneath the sheet and lifts the sheet off the bed. The sheet is then delivered to another area nearby where it can be sorted. The cost of this machine is between $375,000 and $900,000, and the complete cycle time takes 2 minutes and 45 seconds.
Our feasible solution is a single, double, triple pallet forklift attachment. The attachment has multiple points of contact which prevent sheets from warping. Slats will be spaced to allow forks to enter bed. Then the forklift can deliver the sheet to anywhere in the shop. Estimated cost is $6,000 to $15,000.
Problem Area 2 is the cleaning of the laser bed. The current method includes tools such as a hammer or a sliver of metal. The worker must remove individual slats from the laser bed to hammer, clean, and then reinsert each slat. This process often leads to slats damaged.
The ideal slat cleaning solution is a heavy-duty slat cleaning machine. For large shops with multiple lasers, these machines help to cut through heavy slag buildup from continuously running lasers. Estimated costs of these machines is between $5,000 and $7,000.
Our feasible solution is to improve tools including an air chisel which can be wedged between the teeth of the slats to vibrate slag off. We will include longer chisels and steel brushes to help improve cleaning tools. Slat Shield Plus is a protective coating sprayed onto slats to protect against slag buildup. This will improve the lifespan of slats and requires a paint sprayer as well as a 5-gallon container each year. Cost is $500 plus $150 annually.
Here is a recap of the costs and the benefits. Using the unloading method, the shop gains 6.5 minutes per job. Using the cleaning methods, the shop gains 1.5 hours per week. The shop saves $60 per hour of benefit. Net savings on unloading is $13,500 per year. Net savings on cleaning is $6,000 per year.